comes a brand new, almost a brand new SVL75-3. If you go to the factory and buy a new one, this is what you get. I think this one's got 116 hours left. And it sounds good. We put brand new tracks. I took the tracks off of this and put them on the older unit. And I put brand new tracks on this, wild tracks. This one had forks on it, and I put a brand new outlaw right up like it from the Kubota there. So it's got a Kubota warranty on it. It's all original. Look, it's never been in the dirt. The track's never been used. And it's got big time Kubota warranty on it. It's just like a new machine. It's enclosed cab, air conditioner, heat, radio, backup camera. You see the brand new patterns. Got the most expensive tracks you can buy. I took the other tracks and put them on another machine. Hydraulic disconnect with the payload. Auxiliary hydraulics with the K-string. Still got the plastic on the seats. Stand that place on it. I'll show you the warranty in a minute. It's big time warranty on it. Backup camera. You buy a new one, this is what you get. And it's just been served. You don't have it's brand new bucket. You see right here, it's all new. Got all the paperwork, the books, everything with it. Radio's on. It's got 117 hours now. The dust off of it, 17 hours. It's keyless. Heat there, hydraulic disconnect there, and of course it's got the radio. In it, AM, FM. Very, very nice. It's got your button for the throttle. It's also got your foot throttle. It's got all the books and paperwork with it. And again, it is a hydraulic disconnect. Really, truly, if you want a new one, this is as close as you're going to get. Like I said, we put a new bucket on it, took the forks off, put a new Kubota bucket on it. The Q pattern tracks was like a new one, showroom.